Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Fun Math number 82.
Fun Math number 82. This is our last video for 2012. And what did you tell me you wanted to learn about in math for 2013?
Algebra.
Algebra. Okay, and this is from section 1.3 of Art of Problem Solving's algebra book, which is just introducing what equations mean. So here we have an equation. 18 equals 3 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 1. Is this equation correct?
Yeah.
Okay, explain why, please.
Well, 3 squared is 9, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 9 is 18.
Okay, very good. Here we have another equation. 5 equals 3 times 2 minus 1. Is this equation correct?
Yes, because 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5.
Okay, now when I take equation 1 minus equation 2, I get 18 minus 5 equals 3 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 1 minus 3 times 2 minus 1. Is this equation correct?
Well, 18 minus 5 is 13.
13.
3 squared is, well, 3 squared is 9 plus 9. This is 18.
Okay. This is 18.
Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7.
Okay.
18 minus 6 minus 1. Minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. 18 minus 7 is 11.
Okay. Now, I know this is a tricky question, but does 13 equal 11?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If I had 13 bald eagles in my hand, and you had 11 bald eagles in your hand, do we have the same number?
No.
No. That's why they have different names, because 13 is not the same as 11. So the question is, where did we go wrong? And there was a problem like this in the chapter that caused a little bit of head scratching for you. So my question to you is, since these are not the same, where did we go wrong when we subtracted those equations?
Well, the minus hits everything here.
Okay, what does that mean?
It means it also hits the minus 1.
What minus hits everything?
You're subtracting the two equations. It's this minus right here that hits everything.
Not really, that's just a minus on the 6. There is a minus on the board that does hit everything. Where is it?
It's equation 1 minus equation 2.
Okay, this minus has to apply to everything in this equation. So this minus hits the 3 times 2, and what do I get?
You get minus 6.
Minus 3 times 2 is what I get when I have the minus in front of the 3 times 2. What else does this minus apply to?
It hits the minus 1 right
And what do I get when I have this minus hitting that minus 1?
You get plus 1.
So why don't you turn that minus into a plus? Now is the equation correct. What is 18 minus 5?
It's 13.
13. What is 3 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 1?
It's 18.
18.
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Plus 1.
Plus 1.
That is 13.
Okay. 13 does equal 13. Okay, so if I had 13 bald eagles balanced on the tip of my finger, and you had 13 bald eagles balanced where? On the tip of your nose, maybe? We would have the same number of
Bald eagles.
because 13 equals 13. But 13 doesn't equal
11.
for example. Okay, so what was the important thing? What went wrong here? What mistake did we make
Well,
in the beginning?
we didn't hit the minus on everything.
Okay. When we subtracted the equation, we accidentally thought that this minus 1 stayed a minus 1 when you subtracted, but it actually turns into a plus 1.
You
Very
could also
important lesson.
put parentheses on it.
You could also put parentheses around it. That would make it right too. Okay, good job. So we're going to have a fun time studying algebra in 2013.
13.